Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Today we have the weekend deal. This weekend deal coming up. 25% off all floor jacks and jack stands. We'll take a look at them. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and or subscribing, hyping, maybe becoming a channel member. But it's pretty straightforward. 25% off. We don't have access to the asterisk, but 25% off all floor jacks and jack stands. Inside Track Club early access July 16th. So it's going to look like 25% off, I'm assuming for everybody over the weekend, but Inside Track Club will get 1 day advance notice or 1 day advance to get maybe the floor jack that you're looking for. 25% off is great. It's not the 40% off of Unicorn Days, but it is pretty decent. And we'll just look at our options. It does look clear though. All floor jacks and all jack stands. It says barcode required, so that does look like it'll be a super coupon. And then just if you're ITC, you get to go in Thursday to pick it up first. Hopefully the Harbor Freights are well stocked. But let's take a look at it. Start off with the jack stands. Of course, we have Daytona jack stands. We'll filter this from high to low. The most expensive ones being the Daytona 22-ton heavy-duty jack stands with locking pin, $210. These jack stands are built to the highest standards with the most safety features on the market. $210 at 25% off. These are coming in at $157. So about, what is that, 50, almost $60 savings for the 22-ton jack stands. It's been a while since we did a deep dive on these. 4.9, 99%. So very well, highly rated. And look at this, you could work on tanks with them. So if you have a tank, amazing for half the price. Work on your tank that you have in your backyard. Dozer strong. I mean, I guess obviously you're using these for some big boys, or you're using them for your yellow Charger. Most stable stand I've ever used, 50 years. I have owned them for 3 weeks. Super heavy duty. Huge discount, 25% off. I mean, yeah, it's a great discount. Maybe they've been cheaper, but 25% off is well above our minimum purchase. Then we have the Badland. These are brand new or relatively new. The Badland 6-ton off-road jack. Well, okay, I say relatively new, brand new, not a single review. $170. Built for the trail, these jack stands offer unmatched lift height and stability for lifter trucks, SUVs, and UTVs. The wide base and extra large foot pads are ideal for various flat terrains. $170. This will probably be the best discount you'll get on these in a while, because we get 15% off any single coupon. We get 20% off. A few of the lucky ones out there through the email will get 25% off, and this is here for everybody, specifically for jack stands and floor jacks. $127.50. So save almost $50, save $43-ish. Excellent discount. We keep going. There's not that many jack stands. Of course, the 12-ton at $160, 25% off is gonna be solid. Get them down to $120, so save an even $40 for the 12-ton jack stands. Pittsburgh's 2-ton capacity under hoist safety stand, $100. Easy math there, save $25, get it down to $75. The Daytona 6-ton at $80, of course, available in those Skittle colors there. $80, get it down to $60, save an even $20, solid deal. The Daytona 3-ton jack stands with circular pads, $80, same thing, save $20, get it down to $60. Daytona 3-ton aluminum jack stands, $69.99, very nicely priced. Get those down to $52.50, so save almost $20. Pittsburgh 3-ton aluminum jack stands, super lightweight, still 3-ton though, $55. Get those down to $41.25, so decent discount there. Then, of course, the classic. This will be the one that we gauge because these have gone down. The Daytona 3-ton jack stands have gone down to $25 in the past. They've been up to 50% off recently, just over $30. But we'll do the math here for you. They are always $50. Have a lot of new colors now, but at 25% off, get down to $37.50. So we've seen better. Not a bad time to pick them up. If you need some, go ahead and grab them. $37.50. The pads, I don't believe, are included. But those are the jack stands. Now let's go look at the floor jacks. 25% off. Now there's going to be some ITC super coupons that we'd have to verify against, because floor jacks do tend to have discounts all the time and some pretty steep discounts. And here's a beautiful one. We'll start off with the Pittsburgh 2-ton compact trolley jack. already 30% off. These are hit or miss with some of the HARBROs, but $35 is already great. Get this down to $26.25, save almost $10, and you got yourself a little 2-ton trolley compact jack. Love to hear it. But the ones we're really looking at, we'll just sort this from high to low. Misleading, drill press, not sure why that's here. Pittsburgh 22-ton air hydraulic floor jack. Can't say I've run across this one. Lifts up to 44,000 pounds with this hydraulic floor jack. Say what? 4.6 out of 5 stars. 94% would recommend. This might not be included. It is a floor jack, so if it says all floor jacks, I would imagine it is part of it. We work on heavy duty vehicles. This jack is safe and easy. Yeah, fair enough. Great jack for the price. We purchased this jack in February of 2020. Semi-repair shop. All right, if you need something super heavy duty, works great. Needed this for working on a Peterbilt. All right, there you go. One of the most expensive floor jacks at Harbor Freight. $390. We get it for 25% off. Get it down to $292, so save almost almost $100. Pretty close. That's very specific. Badland 3-ton off-road jack. Now the sad thing about this used to be what, $300? $299 was the original price back in the day, back when we were young HARBROs. But now it's gone all the way up to $380. So we won't take too much time on this. $380, 75% off. Those days aren't coming back. 75% off, 25% off. Saving again almost $100. Get it to $285. So at least it's sub the original price and save $95. So that is an option if you are in the market. 2000 low profile transmission jack. Not sure if that'll be included. We'll skip over that. The Daytona 1.5-ton ultra low profile lightweight high performance aluminum racing jack with a rapid pump. These are probably, though this is very specific if you want this one, but a lot of the Pittsburgh, a lot of the Daytonas, they do go on sale at big discounts. We've seen them 10 days of deals, 12 days of deals, 30 to 40% off. So at 25% off, maybe skip on the lower end, but the high end ones rarely go on sale. And here's this, $300, 25% off the Daytona 1.5-ton ultra low profile lightweight high performance aluminum racing floor jack with rapid pump. 25% off, saving $75, which is decent. Only weighs 36 pounds. And we'll just touch on a few of them. Of course, the Daytona heavy duty low profile super duty floor jack with rapid pump. It's at $290, and at 25% off is a decent discount. Get it down to $217.50 compared to Snap-on, of course. And we have the relatively new, the Badland 1.5-ton off-road jack with rapid pump. This is the smaller one, 1.5-ton, $280. This is the reason they raised the price of the other Badland, the 3-ton, but at $280, 25% off. Get this down to $210, so save $70. Not a little bit, decent discount. And then, of course, the 3-ton long reach, low profile professional floor jack with rapid pump. That's at $270, 25% off. Get that down to $202.50. So save almost $70. But now we're getting into the territory of floor jacks that we've seen discounted probably a little bit higher than 25%. Though I'm not saying 25% off is not good. 25% off is good. It's just some of these floor jacks do get bigger discounts. Daytona 4-ton professional floor jack with floor pump. Daytona 4-ton professional floor jack with rapid pump, $270, 25% off. Get that down to $202.50. The Pittsburgh 3-ton low profile aluminum racing floor jack at $250. Get that down to $187.50. So saving over $60. The Daytona 2-ton professional racing series aluminum floor jack at $230. Get that down to $172, almost $60 savings. The 2.5-ton Pittsburgh low profile at $220. Get that down to $165. So decent deals. Daytona 3-ton low profile professional floor jack with rapid pump goes on sale often. Get it down to $150. We've seen it better, but $50 off is not too bad. Not too shabby at all. Same thing for the Pittsburgh 2-ton low profile with rapid pump, save $50. Daytona's 3-ton floor jack with rapid pump at $180 normal price, $135, almost $50 off. The classic Pittsburgh 3-ton low profile floor jack with rapid pump, $169. I feel like we see this get close to $100 with the 25% off, get it down to $127. And then similar 3-ton floor jack with rapid pump, $150. I feel like we see this sub $100. 2-ton floor jack with rapid pump, similar. And I guess what's the lowest? Aluminum 1.5-ton low profile floor jack with rapid pump at 110. They can discount these, but how much can they discount them? $82 for the 1.5-ton. Not too shabby. And then of course we saw the trolley, $35. Get that extra. And those are the floor jacks. Those are the floor jacks. And that's the weekend deal. Starting July 7th, well, starting July 16th for early access ITC, and then for everyone else, the 17th, 18th, and 19th. What do the Harbros think? Let me know. 25% off, not too bad. You guys are the ones with the great memories. I know there's bigger discounts on some, but I'll leave it at that, Harbros. What are you picking up, if you're picking up anything? And as usual, happy harbor freighting, happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing and hyping, becoming a member. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.